Let's hypothetically say that I wanted to add all, what is this, 10 products or all, I guess that's 6 by 6. So that's 12 products. Let's just use the example of I wanted to add these 12 products that I just uploaded to Facebook Marketplace up to, Poshmark, for example, right? Well, what I would do is typically I would click this little list perfectly button, and that would move the listing from Facebook Marketplace, copy it all over into Poshmark, or copy it all over into Mercari, or copy it all over into Etsy, or any number of these other places, right? eBay, Tradesy, Kidizen, Depop, Shopify if you have it, Instagram, right? And so I don't use all of these, but depending on the sites that you sell on, you very well could, right? But one thing that you can do is you can click this start selecting button and just start selecting all the ones that you want to copy. And you can do this realistically up. I don't recommend going past 50 because it's just a lot to process at once. But realistically, you can do this by like 50 at a time. And then as soon as you have all your items selected that you want to move, it doesn't matter if you're moving them from Poshmark to Facebook Marketplace, right? From Etsy to Poshmark, from Poshmark to Mercari, from Facebook Marketplace to eBay, right? You can move them all over the place depending on wherever you want to. And you can also move them to multiple places, right? So if I selected all of those, right? It says 12 items selected, right? I could put them on Mercari, Poshmark, Etsy, and maybe Instagram if I wanted to, right? You can put them on every single place, but for this example, I'm just going to show you moving them over to Poshmark. So we select Poshmark because we've already selected all 12 of those. We click copy, and then we just go about our life, right? And that's going to save us so much time because while we're going out and we're, at the store, or we're eating lunch, or maybe we're doing something else in our business, we're answering emails, or we're processing orders, or listing using the Z-Drop software or something else in our business, this List Perfectly software is doing literally all the work for you, right? It's copying the title. It's copying the description like you had it formatted already. It's copying the pictures. It's copying the tags if there are any. It's moving over the price that you've already marked up, right? And so it moves super, super quickly, a lot faster than Z-Drop. It copies very, very fast. And it literally formats everything into the new windows like you had it. So I really hope that this video helps. I'm not going to go through and like dumb it down for you and show you kind of going through, but it pretty much puts everything in there. You just have to select the category specifically on Poshmark or on Mercari or eBay. Maybe add a few tags if the tags aren't already in there, although you see it added tags here. It's going to depend listing to listing, but most of the time it's going to copy it specifically. You do obviously need to know the nuances of each platform. So for example, on Poshmark, clothing sells really, really well, but you can pretty much sell anything there. For example, on Mercari, you can pretty much sell anything there. Except with the exception of, like nutrition stuff or like timed release expiration dates with like pills and stuff like that. You also need to know like specifically on each platform, like the fees. So for example, Poshmark has a higher fee, than Facebook Marketplace or Mercari does, for example. And so you might want to mark your products up a little bit faster, right? But all of these things are things that you're going to know if you sell on all these platforms. The key here is this List Perfectly software is a game changer. It helps you make more money by posting your products a lot faster on multiple marketplaces. All right.